Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, at last I have complete, not the whole set, but I guess the best of the best in this set. So this is called Oftast from IKEA. It's a table dinnerware, Chinaware, which is I've got few like 5 in the set. Okay, so I'm gonna do some like not really unboxing but review or something like just introduction to you. So it's a very good product which I use it for more than a few years already. So let's look into some of the details and also pictures and also whatever. Okay, from IKEA. Okay, so IKEA here, pictures. Okay, well I show you this. This is previously is not this price, it's a bit more expensive, but now they have promotion, 3 ringgit 50 for the plate, dinner plate, white, 25 cm, which is this one, the biggest one. Okay, 3 ringgit 50, which is very cheap. Okay, then okay, this is the dinner plate. So yeah, so if you into this set, well, it's just plain white but it's nice. Okay, all the same, all the but different sizes, but I show you here. This one, this tableware has, okay, the description, okay, and then product details, okay, and then good to know. Right, material, tempered upper glass, microwave dishwasher safe. Okay, and then safety. All right. Okay, then okay, the measurement. So this one is for this 25 cm. Okay, the other, the one that I'm going to show you. Okay, wait. Let's see, from the real homes IKEA. So this one, yeah, if you put it on the shelf, and then this is for the kitchen, like this. Okay, like this. It's nice for your table. Okay, like the whole set of that. So it's good to keep with your chic design of kitchen. Okay, so let's okay, so I showed just now is the 25 cm, right? And then there's this one also, deep plate 20 cm, which is that one. And then the bowl 15 cm, also now is promotion 350, which is the middle one. And then we have side plate 19 cm, which is this one. And then this one, there's no promotion, but there's a promotion also, probably more expensive than it before this. Serving bowl 23 cm, which is the biggest one. Okay, so that's the let's look into the behind of it. Oh, there's nothing here. Let me show you. Okay, I think. Okay, here. So this one I just bought. The other one I already use it for quite some time. So some already okay. So some of the QR and the description of product information. Can we? Can we leave it? Wait. Oh yeah, so can we leave? Yeah. So it's written like that. Okay. Okay. Barcode is there. That's it, I guess. So this is okay. So that's it. This one. So it's very nice. Opal glass. As far as I use it like few years already, never broke, and it's quite steady and also good. Okay, so this is it. The 5 that I bought. So this one is serving bowl 23 cm. Okay, this one. This is plate 25. See the difference? Just a little bit more. So on top it will be like that. Okay, I'll show you. 25 and 23. Okay, then We have another, this is side plate with it, which is 19 cm, and then this is the bowl 15 cm, so 19 with 20 like that. Okay, so if you put it on top, it will be like this. And so yeah, so looks like this. So this is not, if you like into table setting, so usually it work just like this. Okay, and then this one will come later for your another one. This is what 20 cm deep plate. This is 19, 20, so just a little bit more. So usually like that. So that's that. Yep. So this is another set. So for your dinner, usually you're setting like this first, right? And then with your cutleries, and then this one for your soup. Yeah, and then this, that is usually if you have like macaroni or rice, or put it here on the middle. Or if you are very big eater and then you want to eat Maggi or ramyeon or what is so big for you, but usually it's for the serving like salad, usually like salad, put it on the middle. Okay, so that's it from me. It's very nice item from IKEA, and then looks it looks presentable, it looks good, and it looks expensive also, and but it's very cheap. So this is my recommendation to you. Thank you very much for watching. This is me, Dior Shaari from Maison Dor Network. Thank you very much. If you have anything, please share, like and comment, and anything, please let me know. Okay, bye bye.